So it is another day that we decided to go out as friends to all the way to Constanta. And at this time we were already late. We were to be at the train station by 8 because our train was leaving by 8:20. Unfortunately, we were all leaving we were all leaving by 7:45 from our home. So we were trying to look if our driver will be. So we booked for two taxis to take us all the way to the train station, but we key in the wrong directions, so that's why we lost our time. Actually, my friends were the first one to go, but but we crossed them along the way, and then they were like, ah, how? So we just passed them along the way. So that's why we lost our own time. For it only takes 35 minutes from our home all the way to the train station using a taxi. We have just arrived at Bucharest Nord, of which is popularly known as Garadi Nord. It's the largest railway station in Romania located in the municipality of Bucharest. Here, almost 200 trains depart and arrive from the station daily. This number is higher in winter and in summer. In addition, trains are put into circulation to the coast and Valea Prahova. The station serves the trains of Romanian railways and those of international railway companies. So, the station serves the trains of Romanian railways and those of international railway companies. Bucharest Nord is the end of the line and has a number of 8 platforms and 14 lines. We have just bought our ticket at 82 RON, which is $18. When you get to buy your ticket at the station, you do not get a discount. But when you buy it online, you get a discount. So for this, we did not get a discount. We are checking on which train we should board. In the ticket it is written IC 538. late on the train station. We had a train which was supposed to leave at 8:20, of which we missed it in the morning. So we decided to book another train, 9:30. 9:30. So when we paid the ticket on the station, we knew that we have paid for the second class. And when we got into the train, when the person was checking on the train on our tickets, he told us we have paid for the first class. So now we are traveling as a first class for the first time. On our way, as we are heading to Constanta, it started raining.
One you will see when you check where, like this one, you see it's been eating on the lid.
So we booked our accommodation online, and actually it's a good place to be. It's a nice place. By the name Ama. Oops. So our room is we are 8. So our accommodation we are 4x4 in like this. Yeah. So like that. So it's a nice accommodation with a TV, yeah, with a small freezer and a dustbin, like that. Washroom. And a hair dryer. So hi.
Good.
Yeah.
Hi, Beno.
Hi.
Come in my group.
Let me just take you around. So you can come here and relax. It's like we even a waiting bay, so you can come and relax here. So we have just arrived in Constanta for 2 hours. 2 hours drive, 30 minutes. We took the train at 8:30. Now it's 11:30. As you can see here, you can come. You can with your friends. You can come with your friends here. You can eat, you can drink, you can also relax over here. Even when you're watching football, there's a screen over here so you can come and cheer up. There is a big space here. Even when you are football fans, you can come and cheer up together here. There is also a kitchen side. You can come and prepare whatever you want, whatever you'd like. So it's a nice place to be. So we decided to go out, but it was so windy. Now we are in Streets Madan. My friends were trying to ask for location on how to go to Mamaia beach, or also the nearest beach within the location that we are in. This is Madan Park. As you can see, the birds also, they are not afraid of human beings. Back in my birds, when they see human beings, they run away. Here in Romania, the birds don't run away. They are always friendly. Sam, Beth was working there, City Park. City Park? Yeah, she was working there. Yeah.
Stay here, you go.
But now Beth, she's in Bucharest.
Okay?
Bucharest, for here.
Yeah.
I won't tell you. So hi guys, today I'm in Mamaia beach in Constanta. Well, it's very cold, it's very windy, it's very cold. So I'm here, in front of me is Black Sea. Yeah, my friends here. So like right now it looks like there are no people, but as summer is almost, this place will be full of people. Now it looks empty, but during summertime there'll be so many shades here and so much people. So in front of me there is Black Sea. I know you're asking why am I wearing a hat and a jacket. It's very cold. It's very, very cold and very windy.